Hi, this is Emmanuel from Weafbooks, and in this video session I'm going to be taking you through how to split orders that are generated if at all you have the restaurant modules. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my customer, then I'll go ahead and make my item selections. You go ahead and make your item selections. After doing this, if at all this order is being prepared, just go ahead and activate the KOT. You can turn it off from here, you can activate. Then I'm going to go ahead and do save this. So click on pay now and just click on save. So after doing this, when I come back to sales section, you'll be in position to see we have bill splits and we have restaurant sales. So at the point of billing or receiving payment, and you want to go ahead and split your order, one, you go to restaurant sales. Under bill split, it just shows you the orders that have already been split. Then restaurant orders will just give you a list of orders that are available. This is the recent one. You'll see something like split bill. So if I happen to click on split bill, it is going to take me to a page where it is going to open something like this. By default, the system sets two splits. You can go ahead and add an extra split if at all you want. Okay, you can go ahead and add, or you can do what, you can remove. So we have two splits now. The first item, I'm going to add two. We are made the way three. We are pushed to this side. We have here one. I'll push it to this one. Then this one there are four. I'll push all the four here. Then when I come here, I can't push because I've used it all. So I just go ahead here and push the one which was one. Okay. So your system will compute and your totals on both sides must concur. Should you try to increase this button will be deactivated. So after doing this, I'm just going to go ahead and you can specify the payment methods. I will say the first one, let's say we are going to pay using cash, and the second one they are paying using mobile money. Then I can go ahead and create this split. After creating this split, by default the system automatically now take you to bill splits. Okay, so under bill splits you'll be able to see the different orders that have been split. It is payment has been split. So I can go ahead and expand this to show how exactly the split was made, where we are having the first one, we have this item, we have this and this amount of money. So two pieces at 40 to give you this, this will one piece at 8 to give you this, and then the second one happens to be like this. So basically this is the process which you go through in order to split a bill. Thank you.